Why, today's economic war needs its Churchill moment. In 1940, as the Luftwaffe darkened Britain's skies, Winston Churchill delivered words that would echo through history. Never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few. He was honoring the Royal Air Force pilots who risked and often gave their lives to protect a nation. Fast forward to today, and those same words fit like a glove, only the heroes have been replaced. In our modern version, the few aren't daring pilots in Spitfires. They're billionaires, corporate titans, and central bankers, steering the global economy from plush offices and Davos conference halls. And the so much owed, that's the crushing debt, stagnant wages, and skyrocketing costs carried on the backs of the many, you, me, and everyone else who doesn't own a private island. The world has turned upside down. The courage and sacrifice that once earned admiration have been swapped for greed and self-preservation. Instead of defending freedom, the modern few defend their quarterly earnings and political influence. We've normalized this economic funhouse mirror. We accept that housing costs should climb faster than paychecks, that healthcare should be a luxury, and that the average person should spend a lifetime servicing debt they didn't create. All while the system quietly siphons wealth upward, drop by drop, until rivers of cash pool at the top. History teaches us something uncomfortable. Upside-down worlds don't right themselves. In Churchill's time, the fix required grit, unity, and an unshakable belief that surrender wasn't an option. Today, the battlefield isn't the English Channel, it's the boardroom, the legislature, and ballot box, and yes, even our own everyday spending choices. Turning this mess right side up will take more than complaining over coffee. It demands eyes wide open, seeing through the marketing spin and media distractions. Civic backbone, voting for leaders who work for the many, not just the few. Economic discipline, moving our money, our time, and our attention away from those who profit off imbalance. The alternative, we sit quietly as the few write the rules, cash the checks, and watch from their penthouse while the rest of us fight over crumbs. Churchill understood that survival required urgency. Maybe it's time we borrow not just his words, but his resolve. Stay safe, stay secure, and realize that if we wait for the people benefiting from the upside-down world to fix it for us, we'll be waiting forever. Thanks for tuning in. Now go hit that subscribe button and stay curious, my friends.